Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to navigate class details in CS First. So at my class dashboard in CS First, I can simply click on any class that I want to navigate through the details. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you and talk to you about the Notifications tab, the Setup tab, the Materials tab, and the Student Stats tab. So for this example, I'm going to click on Music and Sound. And the Notifications tab is going to show you if you have any outstanding notifications that need your attention. And you will also see an alert on the previous screen as well. The Setup tab is basically done for you when you initially set up your club. These are this is the information that you set up when you created your club, your start date, whether you requested materials or not. So that stuff is basically done initially when you create your class. The Materials tab is going to be where you can get a digital copy of the materials. So in case you didn't get the opportunity to get the materials mailed to you, you can certainly print them out. This tab has a wealth of information here. So I can click on student videos to see how what kind of videos the students are watching. I can click on the lesson plans and I can actually go through the lesson plan and see and learn what this club is going to offer to my students. And you can see this particular lesson plan is about 9 pages. And there's really nothing that you have to do other than read through the lesson plan. If I go back into the example project, it's going to open Scratch. Oh, maybe not. Let me try another class. So if I go into storytelling, and I click on materials, and I click on example projects, it's going to open up Scratch and it should show me an example of what the students are going to create. So I can play the program and watch the output on the stage. I can see the blocks in the workspace as well. So this is a great resource so that you can help students work through the activities. Solution sheets are available here as well. So you can go through the solutions and make sure that everything is done correctly. But I highly recommend that you go through the club as a student yourself so that you can actually get the experience of what coding is about. View all materials will allow you to download passports, certificates, badges, all of the information basically that you would get in the mail if you opted in to get the materials printed. So if I click on the certificates to download, it's going to show me a PDF file and I can simply print this out. Or passports, I can click download. Again, it will give me a PDF file of my passport with all the different pages and activities for that club. The last detail I'm going to show you is the student stat page. And the student stat page is going to list all of the students that are in your class. So it's going to show you their username and password. And I highly recommend that you add their name to your roster so that you can refer to their random username correctly. So you know who's associated to what random username. And you would just click on that. It would say add name, and then you would just type their name here. And this basically is a status of the activities that they completed. So this storytelling theme has 8 activities and it shows a status bar basically of what the students completed. All right, I hope you found that screencast helpful.